Hi everyone, Sat Shri Akal, welcome to my channel. Well, if it's your first time on my channel, then hello, my name is Jyot Randhawa and I make videos about beauty, fashion, health, and I do have a series called Steal the Style where we talk about actresses, makeup, skincare, beauty, hacks, tips and tricks. Although we have discussed a lot about them already, but there is this one aspect which is always left behind, and that is their fashion. So from today's video onwards, we'll be talking about that, but there is a twist which may come as a disappointment to many, and that is I won't be buying any of these outfits. I won't be spending any money on that because see, considering the scenario this world is already in, I think going the conjuice way is the best way. So yes, already the clothes that I have in my wardrobe, I'll try to recreate these looks with them. I won't be turning myself to any of these celebrities. I won't be recreating these looks one-to-one. No, but we'll try to go as similar as possible. So to begin with, we have Priyanka Chopra's casual looks. Now, why Priyanka Chopra? One, she has gone global, and secondly, I consider her my lucky mascot because I started my Steal the Style series with her video and you guys loved that series. So yes, let's see what all looks I recreated and how much did I succeed. Let's begin. So in this first picture, she is wearing white on white. When I looked at it, it shouted comfort to me. A basic white shirt with a white pair of jeans. I had both of these things in my wardrobe because yeah, these are basics. I've already talked about them in this video. So a white shirt which is from Zara. It has little golden buttons on it, and then a pair of white denims. This is a regular pair of white denims. This is from Gap. So yeah, I paired them together to create this first outfit. Finding the clothes was okay, but the problem was with the shoes and sunglasses. First I tried my slip-ons and my Ralph Lauren's. I actually didn't like it. So I replaced them with my off-white shoes and my aviators, and I absolutely loved the look. Although it did not look the same, but I like the vibe. I like how it is so comfortable and it is so simple at the same time. The next outfit, I chose this picture wherein she is wearing a denim dress which has a zipper and she's wearing a floral top on top of it. I felt absolutely happy because I had both the things in my wardrobe. Although it's not my style, I like very straightforward, clean fashion, but sometimes layering is good, so that appealed to me. So to recreate that look, I chose this dress of mine, which is not denim, as you can see. It has a zipper, which is somewhat similar to the zipper she is wearing. It runs from top to bottom, but in this case, it actually goes from bottom to top as well. And for the floral top, I have this. It doesn't really serve the purpose because as you can see, but somehow I have wore it many times in my Instagram pictures as well, and it has come out really nice. Now the problem was with the shoes. So I don't have red shoes. So instead I chose these orange ones, and this is how I look. Her next look is ultra casual. She is wearing this striped camisole with jeans and a long shrug. So I had all the three pieces in my wardrobe. I actually chose the same dress that I've shown you earlier, but this time I opened the zipper. Now for the camisole, I had a similar striped, just basic camisole, but instead of that, I thought of choosing this one. It has a little pattern to it, but I really like it and I love the way it went with the entire outfit. And for the jeans, I had a simple blue jeans. I wore it and the look was complete with my white shoes. I love how the aviators went with the outfit. They gave that much needed oomph to the look. Now this next look is what I absolutely love. She has gone for a stroll with her dog and she's looking chic and comfortable. I mean, that crop top, those loose pants, white shoes, everything perfect. So to recreate that look, I chose this crop top which I have from Zara. This has a little lace work on top, but it fits you like a glove. For the pants, I chose these Marks and Spencer khakis. Comfortable, loose, absolute favorites. Now the top and bottom were chosen, but problem was with the shoes. I don't have white formal shoes. So instead I wore my white casuals and the outfit was ready. Well, I'm someone who appreciates clean, comfortable power dressing, and this next picture is all about that. Blue suit, white t-shirt, white shoes, and that's it. You are done, but you are powerfully dressed as well. So to dress like her, I chose my blue suit, which is not exactly a plain suit. It has some little pattern to it. So I chose this, and to make everything go really well with each other, I chose this t-shirt. Now for the shoes, as I said, I don't have white formal ones. Instead, I wore these floral kitten heels and they went really well. I like how it is so comfortable and it is so simple at the same time. She would have gone for maybe a lot of jewelry. No, she kept it simple and I absolutely adore that. So that is it in today's video. I hope you like this recreation. If you want me to do this kind of video about any of your favorite actress, please write her name in the comment section below. So yeah, if you like today's video, give it big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye-bye.